Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Celebration, Florida. I'm on top of a nice tile roof here. I'm actually on top of the rotunda, on top of the second story of a beautiful house out here in Celebration. We're getting ready to replace this tile roof. Actually waiting for the tile delivery to get here. Should be here in the next hour. Beautiful view up here. That's what this roof looks like. It's got a lot of damage. There's a flat section there that has a bad leak. I've been out here doing multiple repairs on it. There was a hole about the size of a baseball in the corner leaking into one of the bedrooms. We've taken care of that. Our tile just arrived. As a matter of fact, there's actually two trucks. This truck here has 11 pallets of tile, about 34 squares. We need another 34 squares for this house, so there'll be another truck pulling up right behind it. I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on these guys while they're unloading, just to see, make sure everything goes in the right place. Pretty exciting though. We've waited this long for this tile to get here, and now we're right here where we need to be. So.
Rob Powers with the news today. Be on the lookout for shady roofers that invade your neighborhoods. Promotional leaflets are easy and inexpensive to print, so don't always believe what gets dropped in your post box. Partner with a local contractor that's rock solid. Now, back to your programming.
I'll show you what we got here. Doing a great job of stacking it. There's a little bit of damage to tile, but not a problem. We take that into consideration when we're doing the job. So we got this guy's way. They're about done with this first load. Wait for the second truck. This is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day.